You wanted more microwave recipes. So today we're making this amazing brownie in 1 minute in the microwave. This is fudgy, delicious, and everything you want in a brownie. Have this by itself or with ice cream. It makes the perfect late night treat. So we're gonna start out with some butter and chocolate, which we're gonna melt in the microwave. You do want to cut the chocolate in small chunks. Otherwise, what's gonna happen is the butter will start to fry in the microwave before the chocolate gets a chance to melt. So just remember, big piece of butter, small chunks of chocolate. This didn't take long at all. I wanna say this probably took 30 seconds in the microwave, so just keep an eye on it. Give it a good mix and add the sugar. If you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. I post new videos every week. I've gone ahead and added the milk and the flour and salt. I absolutely love this recipe. It comes together in a snap and it's delicious. You can serve this warm or cool. It's delicious either way. Now I'm gonna use the small microwavable container. You do not need a square container. You can use, just any microwave safe bowl or even a wide mug. I will, however, write in the description box the exact measurements of the container I used because the timing will vary if you use a smaller or bigger container than the one I used. Make sure you line the container with some parchment paper all the way up the sides. That way it's easier to transfer, the brownie out of the container once it's done. Add some chocolate. This is optional but recommended because microwave brownies don't usually get that crackly top that you would get in a traditional oven. So adding the chocolate on top, besides being delicious, will give you a similar effect. You're going to microwave your brownie anywhere between 1 minute to 1 minute and 15 seconds. Mine took exactly 1 minute and 15 seconds. Do not overbake your brownie. Now you can have this as is right away. However, if you do choose to eat this right away, you're gonna have to serve this on a plate because it's too hot, it will just fall apart. So serve it with ice cream, delicious, maybe some chocolate sauce, and with a spoon. However, if you do have the patience to wait 15 minutes, you will be able to pick this up as a regular brownie and eat it with your hands. As it cools, it will also get that signature dense brownie texture. Whichever way you serve it, it's delicious. I am going to trim the edges just so I can get a thumbnail. You do not need to cut the sides. And yes, those were eaten as well. I feel like I always have to specify this because there's always that one person that's very concerned about what happens to the edges. This was absolutely amazing. It's decadent, fudgy, and chocolatey. The texture is that of a fudgy brownie. It's dense in a good way. It's rich, and this will melt in your mouth.